Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change our EA account email address. It's pretty easy method to change email address. Just follow these easy steps. On your browser, open ea.com and you will jump into official Electronic Arts website. Here, make sure to sign into your EA account. Once done, click on your profile photo and click on account settings, and you will jump into your EA account settings page. Here, scroll down and you will get your email address. So to change your email address, click on edit, and now we have to verify our current email address. So click on send security code, and now go to your Gmail and open the mail you just received from EA support and copy the security code here. Paste the security code and click on submit. Once you verified your current email address, now you will be able to easily change or add a new email address for your EA account. Type here the new email address and click on continue. And also you have to verify your new email address. So go to your new Gmail and just open the verification mail, copy the verification code, enter the code here, click on submit. And that's it. As you can see, my email address has been successfully changed and it's verified. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.